Hello guys, in this Microsoft Word tutorial we will learn how to delete a blank page, empty page or any page in Microsoft Word. There are multiple methods to do this, but the two best methods are: number 1, simply click on the paragraph mark, then go down to the page that you want to delete. Select all the paragraph marks and press delete on the keyboard. Then turn off show paragraph mark. Method 2, simply go to the view, then click on navigation pane, select the page from here and click on the page that you want to delete. Then press Ctrl G on the keyboard, make sure it's on page, then type \page. Double click go to, then close and press delete on the keyboard. You can see your page has been deleted. In the same way, you can delete page with content too.